Hi guys, I'm back with our Wednesday Washi Tip. I'm Raven with BBB Supplies, and this week I have new banner styles for you for the month of December. So I'm starting here with a very simple red rectangle made with our 15mm washi tape, and I'm cleaning up those edges with my X-Acto, and I'm going to do a candy cane pattern. So I'm using our 5mm washi tape, and then I'm going to come back through with a 3mm white washi tape. And that way I can just kind of have varying sizes. I didn't want it to seem too exact or perfect so that it felt like a stripe. I wanted it to feel like it was a candy cane, like the ones on my screen as examples. I'm cleaning up the bottoms and the side here, and then I'm going to take a 25mm white washi tape, and I'm just going to put that in the center for my actual banner for the month of December. I'm going to stamp the month of December on there, but I'm going to do that at the very end because somehow I will always find a way to smudge it. So I always do that very last so that I can leave my page there for just a moment to dry, as it's pretty instantaneous, but yet somehow I mess it up. So I'm peeling up my washi tape here, which is what's great about washi tape. If you don't get it centered, you can just snatch it up and correct it. So here I'm doing, this is our lush green washi tape from Worthwhile Paper that we just dropped yesterday in our new Tape Tuesday drop. And I'm just doing another simple rectangle. And I'm going to take a sticky note. I do this often in my bullet journal for lists that I know I'm going to complete, and I'm going to want to make a new list without having to make a whole new page. So this one's less of a banner style and more of a sort of cute little helpful list that you can do in your planner. I'm going to make it Santa's list so that, of course, it has a little bit of a December theme. So after I've cleaned up the edges, I'm going to cut the Post-it note down to fit my actual banner here. And then I'm just going to make these cute little spiral details, like it's a spiral notebook at the top, connecting the paper and the washi and the Post-it note. And then as I change out that Post-it note each month, I just sort of like reconnect those lines as I go. I'm going to build it up with a little 3D effect so that it feels like it's an actual little to-do list notepad. And I'm not too precious about it. I wish I was more of someone who liked to measure. I just sort of go with it, and sometimes I end up with wonky lines that I'm not 100% happy with, but to be honest, I just don't have the patience sometimes. So here I've just gone through and done some varying little lines to make it look like it is a cute little notepad. And then I'm going to go through here and I'm going to write Santa's list instead of to-do list because we got to be a little holly and jolly, right? So here for the last banner style, I'm going to take a piece of red washi. I'm doing this simple fishtail banner. I will link the video below on different ways to edge washi because you could do any of the edging styles on this one, especially since it's just one piece. I'm going to go through and I'm going to make me a cutie little snowman. I am using these circle templates and just building my way up on them. As much as I can freehand it most times, I do try at least to make it look like it is done and measured. And then I'm drawing his little stick arms, and he's gonna hold up our December banner with his cute little arms. And of course he needs his magic hat. I'm gonna go through and I'm going to put one of our cutie little stickers on there since I don't like my hand lettering, and he's holding up our December. How cute. I'm gonna go back through and I'm gonna stamp December on that very first banner we did because, again, I didn't want to smudge it. And I don't put perfect pressure on the center, so I'm going to take my Sharpie here, and you can actually just go through and add any of the little details that got missed when you stamp. I hope you guys found these new December banner styles helpful. If so, be sure to hit that like button, and you can subscribe to our channel for all things washi tape, including DIYs and our Wednesday washi tips. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season, and as always, happy Washi Wednesday, guys.